Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today I'm gonna tell you how to fill out the course evaluation form and teacher evaluation form at your CMS portal. First of all, click on Google browser, search for Hamdard University CMS login, click on the first link, and then put in your CMS ID and password. Then click on sign in button. So here you have login your CMS ID. Here are some options: academics, examination, evaluation, accounts, and general. Click on evaluation. There are two options: course evaluation and teacher evaluation. First, I will tell you about course evaluation. Click on the course evaluation. Here you will get all the courses of your all semesters, and go to the current courses. Here you will find go for evaluation option. Click on the option for the course which you want to evaluate. Then you will get a evaluation parameter and options for your answer at the other side. You have to read the evaluation parameter first, then you have to click on the answer if you want to strongly agree, uncertain, or disagree, or strongly disagree. You have to click on the option which you think is appropriate for the given evaluation parameter. Read each comment, read each evaluation parameter, then click on the right answer. Here I have clicked on agree, strongly agree, and uncertain. If you want to disagree with something, you have to click on disagree. Keep scrolling, read the comments, and click on the right answers. So here are some comment boxes for course content, organization, student contribution, learning environment, teaching method, and you have to write the comments about that. Here I'm writing the comments as per my choice. If you have any complaint or you are not satisfied with something, you can write it in the comment box. Here you have to write the comments about quality of delivery, assessment criteria, and the best features of the course. In the second last comment box, you have to give any kind of suggestion for the improvement of the course. If you want to suggest something, you have to write it down. In case you are facing any kind of discrimination or any age or gender race, you have to write it down in the last comment box. But if not, you have to write, no, I'm not facing any kind of discrimination. Once you have all done, scroll up and check if you have filled all the comment boxes and all the options. After checking, click on apply changes, and here you can see a green bar for apply changes. Now click on evaluation and go for course evaluation again. Here you can see that it is completed. Now I'm moving towards teacher evaluation. Click on evaluation button again. This time you have to choose teacher evaluation. Same as previous, you can see all the records of evaluation of your previous semesters. Go for the current semester. Click on desired, go for evaluation. Start evaluation. You will get evaluation parameters and your answers here too. Click on the right answer as you have done before. Keep scrolling, choose the right answers. But in this form, you have been asked about your instructor, not your course. Here you will get two comment boxes, one about the instructor and the second one for course. Write the comments as per your choice. But remember one thing, you have to complete all the comment box and all the answers, otherwise the evaluation form will not be completed. Try to be honest with your answer because no one's gonna know who has written this comment. Once you have done with comments, scroll up and make sure that you have completed the whole form. Now click on apply changes. Save your changes and click on evaluation button. Go for teacher evaluation. Here you can see that you have completed the teacher evaluation for the selected one. That's all. Thank you so much for your attention.